ni koro nyono higa achiel nyaka ne chake. E thuolo no oganda oseyudo weche kokalo Citizen Digital kendo kambi mar Royal Media Services pod medo singo ber mathoth mabiro dhi nyime kaendi. Lydia Okeyo nigi ler mar wachni.
Higa achiel osekalo nyaka ne chak Citizen Digital ayanga. Maeni yor keyo weche yor mbui mabendo tingo wang jowi kara TV stations adek magin Citizen TV, Inoro TV kod Ramogi TV. Bende en kod kidieny mar weche mikeo e yor andika.
Only in digital. Well done, guys.
Yor keyo weche no bendo tingo nyakalondo 10 moriwo koda ka radio Citizen, Ramogi FM kod mamoko duto manebwo kambi mar Royal Media Services. Jata tije mar kambi mar Royal Media Services Washira Waruru onyiso geno mare ni kato bedo ni entiere thuolo mokwongo e yore keyo weche mbui ma pachuka Citizen Digital pod geto goyo kenge bura moloyo kaka osegoyo.
The performance of Citizen Digital has been phenomenal. We launched it a year ago, and within 3 months it had become the #1 news and entertainment app in Kenya. Citizen Digital is anchored on the very strong heritage in news production that we have here at Royal Media. But being #1 is not enough for us. Our goal is to expand our offering to cater for the needs of a diverse audiences. Happy birthday, Citizen Digital.
I can't believe it's only 1 year. The growth is amazing. It is the biggest digital platform, whether you're talking about news or information. Citizen Digital experienced tremendous growth in only 12 months.
Jatend chenro makeo weche mbui wa higa mwaura ojiwo Kenya mondo med siro Citizen Digital kochiwo singo mar bero chenro mage.
Citizen Digital has grown in leaps and bounds over the last 1 year. In fact, once we put all our offerings in one basket or under one roof, the feedback from the public has been simply overwhelming. We're so grateful for accolades such as, the #1 platform as per the Reuters Digital Institute, our top ranking on the Google Play Store in the news and magazine category, and also our partnership with the Google News Initiative Challenge, which will enable us to broaden and deepen our content on the Wananchi reporting platform. And I know there's a lot more coming up. Can't wait. Citizen.digital is the place to be.
Jatend chenro magweche manyene wang jowi Ramogi TV Joseph Bonyo ochiwo poch gi partner Citizen Digital kabende omedo jiwo Kenya mondo metiyo kod yor keyo weche no.
It is now the #1 digital brand in the country, constantly updated 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which makes it a priority portal for anybody who is interested in consuming not just Kenyan news but global news.
Jolendo mag Royal Media Services bende onyiso mor margi ne okenge ma Citizen Digital osegoyo.
Download the Citizen Digital app from your Google Play Store, App Store right now. And you know why? They are #1. Happy birthday, Citizen Digital. Keep doing what you do best and keep reaching for the stars.
Citizen Digital is no longer a baby. It is now 1 year old. A year, 365 days.
Eseche ma oganda medo bedo kod yote yudo weche manyien kokalo kuom simbegi mag ong'we yamo, Citizen Digital singo chiwo wechege yo makare kendo mana kaka owinjore. Happy birthday, Citizen Digital.
Happy birthday to you.
Lydia Okeyo, Ramogi TV.